In April and May 2021, artist Lucy Hill led the ARC's Marvelous Stuff neighborhood project, in which children from Presentation Primary Georges Hill took part in online art workshops celebrating the extraordinary and ordinary stuff we find all around us. Below, hear from Lucy how she inspired the children and how they got on creating their own amazing artworks. After much planning, it was lovely to finally make a start with the children of Presentation Primary Georges Hill and their teacher on our neighborhood project, which I presented from my studio in May via Zoom. The theme of the project runs alongside the ARC's current summer program, Stuff, which focuses on noticing and playing artistically with materials and objects both in our everyday environment and in our imaginations. To begin, we made viewfinders to help us to look closely around the classroom, up high, down low, around corners and into things. We also looked at some artists' work that use materials and objects in unexpected and playful ways. The children particularly enjoyed looking at the work of architect and designer Katerina Caparani's The Uncomfortable Project. This artist redesigns ordinary and unusual ways so that they might be thought about differently. Useful things such as wellies and forks are reimagined in her work as suddenly playful and entirely useless, which was a fun way to think about possibilities for our own work. Our designs using an adaptation of a sgraffito technique. This allows you to make repeat patterns with a single image, as another way to see and think about it artistically. In another session, we made clay sculptures. The children created imaginative new objects which they later painted, inspired by artists including Deuce and Kuzmik. Finally, we thought about the very ordinary, everyday medium of light, and how it helps to illuminate and distort how we see everything around us. We looked at more artists, including James Durrell and Helen McMahon, and made our own slides using cellophane to project light through and onto objects in the classroom, bringing them to life in new ways.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.